Fancy Pants here with Epic Outdoors. My new backpack just arrived this evening, and so we're going to have a look at it. Okay everybody, the backpack I'm about to show you is the Gossamer Gear Mariposa. But before we get into that, a little bit of precursor backstory on why I felt that I had to go with this. The first thru hiking backpack I ever owned was an Osprey Atmos AG. This thing was incredibly comfortable. It was designed in such a way to carry all the weight and have it directed towards your hips. I did not have any shoulder discomfort, any rubbing, any wearing, any pressure points, anything. So I was spoiled. And I've been trying to get back to that feeling, back to that level of comfort since. The most recent backpack I've had was the Z-Packs Arc Air. And I thought that thing was great. Very adjustable. Had all the things that I needed. But after 50, 60, 70 miles, I started to have issues with the shoulder straps. So, considering that the next thru hike I'm going to go on is over 200 miles, I thought I should probably change something. And so, after several, I think I want this one, I think I want that one, I don't know, things going on, Epic finally pointed out the Mariposa to me, and it took me all of 5 minutes to go, I want that one. And so, here it is. Check it out. Okay, wow, I like how that feels already. Here is the shoulder pocket, which I ordered with this thing. That'll be cool. Okay, let's have a look. Let's undo all these straps. Alright, immediately what I see, the thing I was looking forward to the most, there's no stitch line down the center. The pad is the full pad here. The Z-Packs had a stitch line here, right underneath where the load-bearing strap was across the pad, which basically minimized the effectiveness of the pad. I was getting a lot of discomfort right across my collarbone and the front of the shoulder on both sides. This is a nice, thick, poofy pad, which is going to feel awesome, and there's no separate load-bearing strap here. It runs through, but this is thick and stiff and stitched in all the way across. That's going to be nice. What sets this apart from others I've had is the fold-over design. It's not a roll top, it's not a cinch with a brain over the top. The whole thing folds over, and there's this nice handy little pocket here. This is going to be nice. There's more room in there than I thought there would be. Cool. Ooh, neat, neat, neat. The opening here has a separate little buckle there, which tightens this up. When it folds over, you don't have this going all over the place. That's nice. Another important aspect of this pack is the removable frame. It's a very annoying box. Okay, right here. Mariposa can be a frameless pack or a pack with a frame. This can come right out, and I can go even lighter if I decide I want to do a frameless pack setup. I'm liking this. Let's put this back in here, hopefully the right way. Cool. Alright, so there's that. It's got a pouch for a water bladder, and there is a opening for that either side. Cool. Load lifters, of course. An adjustable chest strap, which I'm going to like very much. Also, these handy dandy little rings here, which you can attach things to. 1, 2, 3 on both sides. That's neat. Another interesting design feature of the Mariposa is this pad on the back. which can be removed and used as a sit pad. We like items that can serve multiple purposes, so this is cool. Also, it's got holes through it, so that's going to be nice for airflow across the back. All of these packs come with a medium-sized hip belt, and if I have a look at here, I'm pretty sure it's removable. Oh, yep. Okay, there's Velcro in here. This comes up, and I think these, yep, the whole thing pulls out of here. So this is nice. I don't have any weight to stuff in here, but I can already tell that this is going to be more comfortable, at least on my shoulders, than the Z-Packs Arc Air that I took with me on the Tahoe Rim Trail. Now, let's talk about these giant pockets. That's a lot of room. I could fit a shoulder sleeve in here. Ooh. To prevent water collecting, we got this neat little hole at the bottom here, so if you do get rain in here, that'll run out. That's cool. And on the left side, well, if you're wearing it, it'd be on the left side. Giant side pocket. This is big. You could actually put a tent and a pad in here if you were so inclined. The right side has a double-decker setup. We have a huge pocket here that is angled forward, so you can reach back here without having to crank your arm to some weird awkward angle. So two big pockets you can cram full of stuff, and they don't interfere, they don't get in each other's way. And if I put this back here, oh yeah, I can reach that easy. That's cool. It's exciting. Yeah, big pockets, thick, poofy shoulder straps, and hip belt. The thing that really caught my attention is that every single review I saw of this made a big emphasis on the comfort level. I'm looking forward to trying this out. 60 liter Gossamer gear, Mariposa. We'll have an in-depth review later. If you like what we do here at Epic Outdoors, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notifications when we have more content. Also, you can check us out on Instagram at Epic Outdoors. Now, get off your butts and go play outside.